Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making a Dutch oven pepperoni pizza. So here's what you're going to need for this. Of course, as always with a Dutch oven, you're going to need some oil or butter to continue to get all that, keep that good stuff on there and season the Dutch oven. You're going to need 1 can of the refrigerated pizza crust. Then you can get your a jar of or a can of pizza sauce. You won't be using all of it, but we'll just get a jar and you can make it as saucy as you like. Then you're gonna need some pizza blend, pizza, and we're gonna need some pepperoni. Okay, and you can add a little bit of spices to this if you'd like, but we're just gonna go simple here and it'll still taste good. So well, let's get this going here and see how it all turns out. Okay, so I said you're going to want to take your lid off, and we're just going to put a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons down here, and continue to season the pot. And you want to make sure that you put a coat of oil on this before and after you cook. Now, once you clean it, you put oil on it. So that keeps it seasoned and keeps all the good stuff built up. And we'll just do the top part of the lid here too. Keep it all going. Make it real nice. Alright. So, alright, now that we got the seasoned part done, let me wash my hands and we'll move on to our next step. Okay guys, next thing we're going to do is open up our pizza crust here. So I'm just going to peel that, and whoop, it already popped open. That's good. You don't need to use the spoon to press on it. Alright, so we'll just go ahead and get the crust out. Alright, so now we'll lay the crust down in here and push it out to the sides to make it round. Alright, so let's get it in there. So you can see, make it nice and round on the sides here. Alright, so now we're going to take our pizza and just pour it in here and just push the sauce around the side. That'll be a good little thing for your camping trip. Get your Dutch oven out if you don't have to hike too far. If you're doing like car camping, RV, or stuff like this, this will turn out just perfectly fine. You know, just do enough with the pizza sauce to cover it up. Alright. So there we go. That's gonna be good right there. Let's do a little bit right there. Alright. So Now, leave what we got left for another one or later, or alright, we'll set that there. Now, next thing we'll do is we'll crack open this cheese. Okay. And a little bit of the cheese, and put our first layer of cheese on here. I got a pizza blend on the cheese, so it'll be a little mix of different pizzas and stuff, cheeses. Alright, so there we go. We got a little bit of the cheese on there now. Alright, we'll keep the rest of the cheese for when we get done with the pizza here. Now, we'll open up our pepperoni package. Now, and we'll just put on our pepperoni, just loop around on the outside, guys. So here we go. Let's peel it off and put it on. You know, everybody likes pizza, and then putting it in the oven like this, the Dutch oven, it makes it taste really good. So hardest part is getting it out of the oven, which but it's well worth the hassle, and it just tastes really good, guys. So like I said, you know, pretty much camping close to your car, or just got a short little walk to it, this would be perfect for it. A little gathering camping. Alright, so there we go, and we'll put this back in here and save those pepperonis for another pizza. And alright, now we'll just put the rest of the cheese on top. Alright, guys, so there we go, and we'll just take this and set the lid on top, and we'll go outside and put it on the coals. So we'll see you here next as we put this on the coals, and it'll be about 15-20 minutes on that. Alright, so these on the hot coals, sit them on the hot coals, and then we'll take some hot coals and sit it on top. We'll be all good here. We need about 15-20 minutes of it in the oven, and everything will be good. So in about 15-20 minutes and we'll be good. So we'll see you in about 15-20 minutes here. Okay guys, about 25 minutes. Let it sit there a little extra longer. Let's look at that. That looks nice. Alright. Boy. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and clear off the things here. Take that inside. And then we'll get the pizza out. So we'll see you here shortly, guys. But look at that pizza. That looks so good. So here we go, we'll go carry it inside. Okay guys, so we're just going to slide this over here. Get my at the Dutch oven. Oh, see if I can get this out of here without too much mess. Oh, here we go. Hopefully we can get it out so I can slide it in on here. That looks good. Alright, just got to be careful when you pull it out like that. Well, boy, it smells good though. Alright. Woo. Okay. So, look at that. Whoop. Alright, look at that. That looks good. Woo. Alright, that looks good. So let's go ahead and cut this. That crust. Let's just hold this. We can hold this without some. Alright, there we go. I'll turn it. Well, this kind of gives it like a deep dish feel to the pizza. We'll go ahead and cut it right there, right through. And we'll cut this here. Well, I'll tell you guys, very simple, basic, but it smells really good right now. So go ahead and make my piece of pizza, lay it on there. Alright, so let's go ahead and do us a sample of this. So here we go. Oh my. Tastes good. Still a little warm, but it's eatable. Oh my. Let's look at that crust on the bottom. Nice. Kind of a little burnt, but that what made it real good. I don't have a burnt taste, but it is good, guys. Alright. Well, guys, this was the Dutch oven pizza. Tastes really good. Real simple for you to do, especially when you're out camping with your family. It's great taste. My mom and sister loved it when I made it the last time. and it just tastes really good. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you've tried this or when you try it. Let me know how it turned out for you. If you'd like to add anything like garlic powder, onion powder, or any other spices on it, but even without the spices, any spices are real good. So it's something simple to make on if you're going camping and you can just pull up with a car or anything. Or if you really want to hike with this Dutch oven, you can too. But if you got a Dutch oven, it's really good to do out in the backyard, like I did here. Alright. So, I will see you guys on the next video. I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you. I'll see you later. I'm going to finish eating this pizza up and enjoying my day. Still hot.